If you value your freedom, you'll do as I say.
What do you mean you don't have to do as I say anymore?
Put down your guns, gentlemen. It's all right. Do as I say.
Peter, I want you to get your knife.
What?
Just do as I say.
We didn't agree anything, young lady. Today you're being punished, and you'll do as I say.
Do as I say.
But we'll find a Steve, and even if they don't, we're going to walk out of here. You do as I say now, okay?
On my word, do as I say. Or I'll pull this trigger and be lost to Davy Jones' locker. I don't know, and I don't understand why I can't remember.
You don't have to remember, just do as I say.
Whatever happens, it's imperative you'll stay below.
Harry, do as I say.
Then you'll kill yourself and everyone here.
Yeah.
And I'll shoot you, Drebin, if you don't do as I say.
You need to take 2 steps that way. Right now. Behind the car, get behind the car. You want to stay alive, do as I say. Now.
From here on out, you do as I say. Exactly as I say, or I slap this bitch on Nightline and call it a day, okay?
You want to get through this? Do as I say.
Hey everyone, couple requests. Kindly tie up the person beside you, keep your mouths shut, give up your cell phones, and as a general rule, do as I say.